I tell yo, you mess with my friends, I'll stick your ass up. He's not, but he knows I said it that serious. Hey. I do. Cause he said, yo, you always got friends. I said, you know why? Because I always be real. When you be real, you always got friends. When you start faking it, everybody just get out your way. You don't even want to see about it. They don't want to know about you. Oh, that's it. Nobody's gonna look for you.
Hola, hola.
Bye, baby.
See, I'm slow. I'm slow on the responses.
I guess I still look Dominican. She didn't even talk to me.
Oh, I thought she was talking to both of us.
She said, hi, baby.
Okay. How you know that wasn't you?
¿Y tú cómo tú estás? Estamos bien por ahora. ¿Te recuerdas de mí?
Un pedazo.
This is my first job. My first job was here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I waited 6 months in this beach. And when the dude tried to have me, I said, bro, what you want? 50 pesos? I don't have nothing. Get away. I'm trying to get money just like you.
That's before you got hired. That's before you got hired? I got sand in my feet already.
When you get over there, you just take it out. That's why I like to walk. I don't know why you put it in a day like this, bro. They knew, huh?
Huh?
Oh, that was odd. But I thought you had another, a new pair.
Huh?
I thought you had a new pair.
This isn't. Jesus got them.
Oh, they in the Jeep.
Yeah.
Oh, they did.
How you know?
Oh, but as a matter of fact, let's call them while we're in the beach. I gotta take a peek first. You heard? I'm gonna take a peek, and when I come back out, we'll call them.
You gonna take a pee? Where you gonna take a pee at?
My boy got a spot.
Oh.
His name is Christian. He's all right.
Yeah.
I told him the works. How you go about it? He's doing a little better than I am. No, we good.
Hola.
We good.
They ain't even started tearing these things down yet.
What's that? They did further up. They did further up.
My sister here. Smiley Nolly. What is this price? Smiley.
Bien? Yes. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Mamita.
Yeah, see you later?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Hey. Hey, you remember? Hola, hola. Not now. Hola. Huh? Hola, hola. That's what's up. Hey, how much? ¿Cuántos dinero?
Yeah, which one?
Something like that. Oh, you draw me? How much?
No. I don't like video.
Oh.
The Reinvention of Sosua. If you think you know Sosua Beach, look again. From the sky, it's paradise. Powdery sand melting into turquoise water, framed by swaying palms and Caribbean heat. But down here on the ground, something's changing. This isn't just a beach anymore. It's becoming a symbol, a battleground, a rebirth. For decades, Sosua was raw, wild, and free, a place where fishermen became vendors, tourists became locals, and the line between business and brotherhood was beautifully blurred. The beach was the business. Every booth, every handshake, every grilled snapper told a story. But now, the waves of change are rising higher than the tide. The Dominican government has a vision to turn Sosua into a model for modern, sustainable tourism. That means reorganizing, rebuilding, and yes, relocating. Vendor stalls are coming down. Concrete plazas are going up. A new order is being born. Some say it's progress. Others say it's erasure. You'll hear voices celebrating the cleanup, praising the promise of structure, security, and family-friendly vibes. But listen closer, and you'll also hear resistance. The quiet heartbreak of longtime vendors pushed to the edge. Locals asking, where do we fit in this new picture? The truth? Sosua stands at a crossroads. 1 foot in the past, barefoot in the sand, 1 foot marching forward into marble walkways, polished storefronts, and official permits. What will it become? A polished paradise with postcard perfection, or a beach that remembers its roots and carries its culture forward? That answer isn't written in policy. It's written in people. In you. In all of us who love this place enough to fight for its soul. Whether we want change or fear it. Because one thing's for sure. Sosua will never be the same. And maybe that's exactly the point. If this story matters to you, leave a comment. Let your voice be part of what happens next.
I have an errand, a special errand. I'm gonna get blessed.
Oh, yeah.
So, 'cause it's my birthday.
Oh,
So I have a
okay,
female-
that worked out
a female
good.
companion from 8 in the morning to 12 in the afternoon. Simple
cool.
as that. You can't. ¿Qué pasó, papi? ¿No te dejaron meter la playa? Yo te dije que te quitaras los tenis, pa.
Yeah, Vic got some history for us.
Yeah, I have to know my history. Anyway, in the 1800s, Haiti had control of the whole island. The whole island was Haitian. And then these 3 dudes, they made a clan, a little gang, we say back in the States. But they made a gang, and they got together and got back our land back. A lot of people died behind that. But these 3 dudes, if it was for the Duarte and the other 2 dudes, Dominican Republic would never be the Dominican Republic. If it was for these 3 dudes. It's one dude I gotta remember. It's Duarte, Mella. I gotta wait till my boy come in. I get back to you guys.
And how long was the fight for?
Oh, about a year.
Oh, that's
It
short.
was
That's
like
kind
a
of
civil
short.
war. We had 2 civil wars here. We had one when I was 6 and 5, and I remember that because my dad, he wanted to be in his country, so I was just 5, and we were from Santo Domingo. We had to sleep under the bed for 2 weeks. No lights. We had to cook early and go to sleep early. So,
That was the first one, or that was the last one?
Mamita, quiero un Cuba Libre también. Marrón que refresco, oíste, amor. Un placer y pórtate bien, oíste, para que coseche.
Hey, dice.
No, yo te estoy diciendo a ti. Sí, que.
That's nice. That's very
That's gonna
nice.
help you always to keep, you know what I mean? You're my brother, man. We said it a few times. And we always call each other like that. And you better say we look like brothers.
Imagine that.
Tomorrow, I have to do an errand. For my birthday, I have to do a fast errand from 8 to 12. And I go pick you up at 12:30. I have to do my errand. I have to get blessed.
Huh? Has a DMX story from Yonkers. He from Yonkers, come to find out.
I'm from Yonkers.
Representing,
I do Yonkers. I was Yonkers.
I respect Yonkers.
What's your DMX story, Christian?
Yeah, man. No, we're from Yonkers.
Tell us about DMX story.
DMX, well, I used to know DMX way before he was famous.
Yeah.
He used to be like 2 corners away from my house, from my apartment.
Uh-huh.
He used to be in the corner. We had some friends all the time, man, singing in the corner. I used to pass by and say hi to him all the time because.
Was he cordial? Did he speak?
Yeah.
Did he speak?
Yes.
He was cool.
But I used to say, well, I used to think he was kind of crazy because he was always singing in the corner. No shirt. Sometimes it was damn cold. Like he always liked the Rottweilers. Sometimes he was some Rottweilers around. But then he disappeared for a while. Next time I see him in the news, in the TV.
On the videos.
I'm like, oh God. He made it. He
That's
really made it.
crazy.
One time, well, after he was famous, I saw him again in Yonkers. He came in a old Cadillac, white Cadillac, I remember, with some lady from Hollywood, and they were saying hi to everybody around the block. And it was fucked up because the police. Well, he was jumping the car. You cannot do that in New York.
What happened? And you was doing what?
Yeah.
What happened?
He was jumping the car.
Oh, yeah, hydraulics on it.
Yes. And the police came up to him.
Uh-huh.
And they put him in jail. I mean, before everybody was like, "No, what you doing?" Some, from this police. Everybody's telling them, "Oh, leave him alone.
Hey,
He's just
I
happy
feel
to be." In
I
his...
feel chip for the story.
Yeah. Shut up, Victor. So they took him to the prison, and everybody went there to the prison so they can let him go because come on, they just want to be rude to him.
That's crazy.
Well, he was so happy. Well, he knew he can, but he was so happy with his people around, Then he started jumping the car. Police came right away.
Did he do a lot of projects and whatnot for the community in Yonkers?
Oh yes, yeah. A lot of everybody loved DMX in Yonkers. I mean, everybody. He had the Rough Riders thing going on. A lot of people from Yonkers were following him with the Rough Riders, and he was good with the community. Very good, very good.
Do you know any other projects that he did? Because I think it seemed like he had like the youth and doing stuff.
Yeah.
Do you know any other programs he did?
I don't remember the names.
Yeah.
To tell you the truth, a long time.
Yeah.
Long time. Talking about more than 20 years.
Yeah.
Way more than that.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. It's always cool, to hear the backstories.
Yes.
But he was always cool, and he was grinding the whole time.
Oh yeah.
Because a lot of times people see something like that and they think it's overnight success.
No.
Truth of the matter is,
Trust me,
they were
I
putting in that
spent
work.
a few years looking at him in a corner.
Yeah.
Trying to do something. And, well, the thing came, but he worked it out. He worked it out. I mean, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy for him.
Now tell me about your business though. How did you get into food?
Right.
Was you doing that before you tried this or?
Well, yes. I started my first bar and restaurant in Puerto Plata.
Oh really?
I started there. Yeah, that's where I met. I used to live in Puerto Plata. That's where me and Victor met. Before I used to do the boogie and the horses ride.
Oh, okay.
There. And after that, I started making I had somebody that offered me to make a business there. The place is called Muñoz, Puerto Plata. It's a little town outside Puerto Plata, right?
I know what you're talking about,
Muñoz, right?
I ate there yesterday, fish.
Oh yeah, right there, Muñoz.
Yeah.
So we started a restaurant there, but after we had almost a year there, the pandemic came.
Oh.
The pandemic came, so we had to close it down. And everything, all this deal with the pandemic, it was a crazy thing. After the pandemic, then I hit this wave because everything was kind of slow in Puerto Plata. Here was better, so that's why I ended up in Sosua.
Oh, okay.
I know Sosua for a while, of course, since little. But I know tourism was a little better here in Sosua, so that's why I like to work with tourism.
Yeah.
I have that thing I like to meet people, to talk, and so people feel a good vibe with me. So I came here, I started working for a restaurant here, and I end up having my own, So I've been years and years having experience with these things.
When you came, did you have in the back of your mind? I mean, was you already knowing I'm gonna open a restaurant, I'm gonna open a restaurant, I'm gonna open a restaurant? Or you just came with your eyes open and mind open and looking for something to do?
Yes, of course. Not exactly the restaurant.
Okay.
I was trying to see what kind of business I fit into. Like what's better for me, what can I do better here, and what can work out here. No, but I try a lot of things first, and nothing wasn't until I tried this system of restaurants and bars. I like it. I fit there, I feel like I fit in that kind of business, and now Of course I do. Now I'm here, you know, this is my side of the beach. I have my bar, my kitchen, and I have thousands of people that come visit.
Year after year.
Yes, yes.
That's a sign right there. That's a sign
Right?
you're doing it right.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It is.
Yes, sir. Well, hey, I appreciate you sharing the story, man. I think it's inspiring, motivating.
Right?
And hey, I don't know what Christian said. He might not go to the new spot though.
Yep.
So we'll see. Let's see what his final determination is. All right, bro.
That's it.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Try it, you like it. Smells good.
Smells great. What the stuff is? What it's made out of? Because it's a video.
Se lo diga.
Okay.
So they know to look for her.
¿Qué creo que tú vendes? Tu nombre. ¿Cómo tú te
on
llamas?
YouTube.
Evils. Her name is Evils. She sells peanuts, coconut candy, in general coconut. Everything is coconut and peanuts. If you have nuts, you can go see these nuts.
Let me see it.
Se enseña.
And tell her to say the name real quick of each product.
Okay, le pique
Peanut,
peanuts,
coconut
candy,
peanut con azúcar,
peanut candies,
coco candy.
and cocoa.
Okay.
And I got the peanuts.
Qué gusto. Mírame bien para que me conozca. ¿Lo viste? Cuando se pega bien, se vende.
What is, I don't know what this is. I don't want that.
No, I thought you. I tell you, we sell it to another one.
Gracias.
Oh, okay. Well, I said,
What's your colorway?
yeah. So I got peanuts. I got chocolate.
Let's go.
Just in case y'all wondering, that's where the shop's gonna get relocated at. Let's go take a look real quick. Clearly it's going to be more than it's not going to be ready this year. So if you guys was thinking about coming, the beach is going to be the same for at least this year, and if you ask me, probably next year, because they're making some very slow progress.